Sup guys, Ballistic here. I'm going to be showing you how to take a USB drive and partition it so you can have a bootable Ubuntu and you can have some storage on the side too. So let's get into it. So first of all, I'm not sure how to do this on Windows, but on Ubuntu I do know how to do this. It's quite simple and everything. I think it might even be because Windows doesn't even let you partition a freaking USB drive. I have a PNY one, so I'm not even sure. I tried doing it on Windows. It didn't work out so well. It took me a very long time to get it. So you go to the Ubuntu Software Center and type in gparted. Be careful when using this. You could really screw up, like I did. That 1 terabyte drive, about like maybe 600 gigabytes worth of games from Steam. Guess what I did? I kind of formatted the drive and removed everything. Oh well. Okay, you want to open this up, put your password in. Once you get this guy, you want to click on the top thing, type in gparted. You want to make sure your USB drive's connected, of course. And you go to devices, and then you find the capacity. This is the easiest one to find, so 29, because it's 32 gigabytes. And this is what you will end up having, but I will show you how to do that for yourself, and how to install the Ubuntu part onto it, which is a little bit tricky, but we can get it. So what we're gonna want to do is going to be unmount, or is there an easier way? Oh well, we'll unmount everything. Unmount this guy too, and click delete, and you're gonna have unallocated. Originally you might have this formatted, so follow the same steps, you will get to this part. Okay, so here when we get to this part, we wanted to take a device, create a partition table. First we gotta click the green check mark so it takes these changes and changes it for us. This will tell you it's losing all your data, it's changing it. Make sure you back up stuff before you do this, of course. So we have everything unallocated. You want to go to device, create a partition table. I'm pretty sure MS-DOS works. I'm not sure what the other ones are, but I know this one works for this. If you know what it is, go in the comments, tell me what it is. I'll appreciate that. I'm always like to learn some new stuff. Okay, so specifically, you want to know how much you want to use. So first of all, you want to make your partition for your, like, what you're going to be using for Windows and stuff like that. So you're going to make that your primary partition. And right here, new size, you're going to make that, oh, I'm going to make it 8 gigabytes. If you want to do whatever you want, go ahead. But that's what I'm going to do. Make sure you set it at FAT32. And click add. A little tip. Oh, no. I screwed that up. Go back a second. If you screw up, you go click that arrow right there. That's what I was trying to say earlier. That's before I screwed up. Is watch this whole video, then come back and then do it yourself, following this, to make sure you don't screw up anything. So we're gonna take. I want to do what is it? 29.8. Calculator 29.80. minus 8 gigabytes is 21.8. That's how much I want on here. So 21.800. That's how much I want to add. Make sure this is FAT30 primary and FAT32. Close this guy off. And label this. I'm going to label it as general storage. That doesn't let me do that. Let me name it as everything I'm name. Might sound I have like a mechanical keyboard, but I don't. Okay, so that's your red general storage, and here we're gonna allocate new size. So this is 8 gigabytes or so, whatever you wanted, and we're gonna make this primary and ext4, and I'm just going to do that as Linux boot. add. So once you get all that done, click apply all changes, apply, and it's going to do everything for you. 3 seconds. It's going to take a little bit longer for this guy. Click close, and you should have, let's go to the file manager, computer, how do you go to home? I don't even think it has it, but here is the mobile flash. We could click properties here. How much? 22.8. That's how much I think I assigned to that one. And this Linux boot guy right here, we got 8.4 gigabytes. So, as we have all this for bootable, we are done with that part. I will now show you how to do the other part of putting in the Linux operating system onto the flash drive for dual booting. I will be right. Alright, I'm back. I figured out how to do, and I'll show you. So first of all, you want to grab a copy of Ubuntu. You're gonna need terminal too, so get used to it, or get to know it. In other words, so we're gonna go to Ubuntu website. And of course, we're gonna go to desktop, yeah. And download Ubuntu, 64-bit, download it, and save it. It'll give you an ISO file. Love it. So you're gonna go up here, type in terminal, click it, come back here, and you're gonna put in the command line like this. I'll put in the description to help you guys to get it. I'll also link a form I used to get this, to give them some credit. So what you're gonna do is do this, but the path of the thing, which I will bring up in a second once I find where it is, my Ubuntu file, right there on my second screen. So right here, this is what it's gonna look like. So you're gonna click properties, and you're gonna find the location. So mine's home here, and you're gonna have these arrow keys for this guy, and you're gonna do right click, paste. You don't want, I don't think you need two. Where's the LibreOffice? Just one. Just one of these guys. And the rest of this crap, desktop, you can delete desktop right here. And you're gonna copy paste this name. You could put it here. You're gonna put another slash or whatever, /, and you're gonna paste of the ISO file. And this thing, the 3 X's here, don't get it wrong. It's not what you think. You're gonna go and remember gparted. You're gonna use that. Let's find devices. This guy, it's gonna be this guy right here, the smallest partition you made. So it's gonna be dev right here is gonna be SDG2. Where the hell did that go? Oh, damn it. Well, it seems the audio got lost, so I'm gonna redo this through post-processing, and I'm gonna finish this. It seems to me that I had an error here, of a space error. I'm just narrating from this because there's no audio. I had to record it, and that 3 X's, you're gonna take that. You see the dev SDG2 on the bottom here? Well, I probably told you that already. Click your password, and you're done. And let it do. It takes a while. I think mine was still going when everything finished. I remember. But if you like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, leave a like, and come back for more. Drop a comment what you want to see next. I'm not too consistent making videos, so beware of that because I'm really busy. But if you like my content, come back for more. Simply said. Have a good day.